Alright, alright, alright. Apakah kita sudah live, teman-teman? Nah, buat jaga-jaga kita buka guide dulu, guys. Siapa tahu kita mau rekrut. Let's go. Oh, kita mau pindahan ya terakhir ya? Ngobrol dulu gak sih sama semuanya, guys? Oh, ini udah gue ajak ngobrol. Moving. Gak bisa, serius lu. Guys, kita ngobrol-ngobrol dulu. Di luar sana nggak ada apa-apa kan, kalau nggak salah. Oh iya, kita belum ngecek stair barrier, bro. Masih banyak yang belum gua rekrut ya. Banyak guys belum gua rekrut. Itu udah gua ajak ngobrol. Tadi dulu ngobrol seperti biasa, awal streaming pasti keder, muter-muter dulu. Soalnya kita harus ngobrol-ngobrol dulu deh. Mana Ariel? Nanti kita udah ngajak ngobrol aja. Lah, mana ininya ya? Ini ada orang gak sih? Gak ada ya? Kosong. Ntar di luar dulu guys. Ini yang di luar ada orang, kita ajak ngobrol dulu dah. Nggak jelas. Nah, kita ajak ngobrol berarti yang sisa di dalam guys. Langsung aja lah ya, biar urutan. Ajak ngobrol dulu. Langsung aja gak sih guys? Kelamaan deh kayaknya. Oke. Let's get moving. Tim gue cuma berdua doang anjir. Australia tuh di sini ya. Hasilnya gede gak sih? Jatuhnya nge-upgrade gak sih guys? Ih gila dia gitu-gitu aja. Jemput turu coy. Gila disuruh bangun gila. Aduh ini apa ya jawabannya guys ya? Ih galak banget sumpah. Gue sendirian doang anjing. Chronicle Room. Gimana Chronicle Room guys? Chronicle Room di sini nggak sih? Pada kesini ya? Nggak tahu sih gua. Fergus. Ih ribut guys. Mampus sakit kan lo. Guys, tar dulu nih, masalahnya kita sendirian banget nih. Masalahnya dia sendirian banget guys. Jangan di depan lah, Liu, belakangan aja. Wah, gila, si paling terdepan sendiri tuh. Oh, ini tempat Chronicle.
What are
Uset.
you doing here? Well now, it's been a while. Do forgive the intrusion. You were in the library at the Tower of Guidance. I don't believe I've introduced myself then. I'm the head archivist Deidre. The pleasure's all mine. Head archivist?
Aduh, gila. Ngilang-ngilang guys, parah.
Actually, I have one regret about the first time I went. I should have somehow seized the A-Chronicle when I had the chance. I had no idea that you children were so resourceful after all. And I had no idea that you were all such a worthless bunch of jerks. I don't take kindly to people breaking into my house. How did you get in here? Well, as for that... From here. What? A gateway?
Ih, bisa buka gerbang deh. Oh shit. Tes dulu gak sih? Aduh, petir ya. Sial, petir guys. Coba kita pukul dulu. Lu Magic Canopy. Sakitan dipukul aja. Apa itu guys? Gonna die, bro.
How'd they do that? No way. You mean they can open up one of those gateways wherever they want? Well, it has to be in a place that I've seen with my own eyes. You know, of course, that this castle used to be the Order's. I've been here before. Thank you for helping us out by bringing the Chronicles here.
Ih, dibawa semua ya?
You. Wait. Damn it. Are the bandits in here? What is this? Why are you scum here? Keep your guard up. These guys are archivists from the Order. And all of the Chronicles are here for the taking.
Ribut aja semua yuk. Ih, si Nova ngeri banget ya.
And I believe we shall do exactly that. Don't...
Duh, Crotchile di mana nih, Crotchile? Ya, goblok banget di belakang anjing. Sumpah guys, tolol banget anjir. Useless tai. Ya elah. Ngapain itu guys? Alah, 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 alah. Sial, sial. Dia nggak defense lagi anjing. Aduh, habis lagi. Aduh, habis, Cok. Aduh, mati lagi. Oh, bahaya guys, bahaya guys, bahaya guys. Bahaya guys. Itu ngapain itu ya guys? Guys, jangan mati. Wait, 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 wait. Alah, cuman bisa nge-defense anjing, anjing. Kayak dia nggak heal deh guys. Oh, enggak.
This is surprising. You're really hanging in there.
Emang ini ya kak, nggak bisa
I
kalah
only
deh.
have to get the ninth chronicle from my father. Yes, the eighth chronicle is so close. But if we are not to obtain it, we shall wipe it from existence. What? What is she doing? Goodbye.
Ditransfer kita ya? Ya, hilang semua coy. Kita bukan jadi star barrier. Wah, kasian banget. Hilang kekuatan kita semua coy. Eh, di mana ini? Lah tempatnya si dia. Ah, ini tembus pandang, bro. Jalan aja. Ah, tempatnya sini, Marika. Siapa nih? Hah? Siapa ini, guys? Nah, ini siapa nih, guys? Ih, ada lagi, Cok. Dia menyimpan sesuatu nih, kayak nggak dikasih tahu, anjir. Ntar dulu, guys. Bentar ya. Pilek gua. Stay quiet. Ntar dulu, ini kudu di save dulu gak sih guys? Itu kan dia nggak dikasih tahu gitu loh. Luo tahu. Jangan ini kakek tua yang tadi ya guys. Masih mudanya. Liu Shen dia. Dijual berapa guys? Anjing murah-murah banget ya. Ini apa? Oh, min. Mahal banget anjing. Beli senjata ya? Oke. Ini 38 cok. Anjing harganya 70.000. Mahal banget anjing. $50 juga sih. $50 guys. Ini 80 anjing. Sprite bau. Anjir 200.000 cok. Mahal banget. 50. Itu gue beliin deh. Lima. Mahal banget pak, sumpah. Berapa Black Blade? 28. Kismoy gue. Cukup gak sih? Cukup lagi. Jangan Dragon Shield sih. Kiss boy gue langsung gila. Jual-jualan kali ya. Harganya murah-murah banget. Wah ini bagus-bagus anjir. Tapi mahal anjing. Kita ke pet dulu aja ya, biar tahu. Galak banget. Oh bukan, ini kakeknya anjir. Nih dia jangan-jangan wanderer ya. Ih takut anjir.
You see, the scribes are a tribe sworn to protect the secrets of the Chronicles. I don't know how, but they've known a lot about the Chronicles for ages. They pass it down each generation. Wow. At age 12, a scribe is considered a full adult, and they are taught about the Chronicles. They're given their tattoos at that time as well. But I, ran away before that.
Oh dia orang-orang sini ya. Dia udah dikasih tato tapi kabur.
Why did you run away? I told you that the scribes are sworn to protect the secrets of the Chronicles, right? They seclude themselves in this forest so their knowledge can't spread and be used for evil. I didn't like that seclusion, and I didn't like those around me who thought it was a good idea either. I wanted to see what was outside of the forest. I see. Once you are given the tattoos, it makes it difficult to intermingle with the outside world. Even if they do not know of the scribes, few would not view such tattoos as an oddity. So you took flight before that could happen? That's pretty much it. I wandered around aimlessly until I was taken in by Elder Regime. And then I met him, and I thought, wow, it sure would be nice to live here, so... You remember, don't you? When we found that very first chronicle?
Apa sih ini namanya? Course I do.
You touched the book and saw the same vision as us, but you acted like you didn't.
That's right. I had managed to get away from the scribes, and I didn't want to have anything to do with the Chronicles.
Oh, so that's why.
And despite that, I was back up to my neck in all this Chronicle business before I knew it. And every time we started talking about the Chronicles, I thought about telling you everything. I am a scribe, a protector of the
This
secrets
scribe,
of the
bener kan?
Chronicles, but I don't know anything about them. I left home before I could learn. Sorry. How could I say that? I'd look so stupid, so I just kept quiet.
Oh, really? I don't think I would have noticed you acting any dumber than usual.
Yeah, you're one to talk. But sometimes I thought that maybe I shouldn't have run away. That I should have studied here instead. Maybe then I would have been more help to you.
There you go again, being dumb. If you'd done that, we might not ever have met.
Huh?
Perhaps you can gain your knowledge of the Chronicles starting now. At any rate, it was far better for us to have met you in Citro Village.
Come on, cut it out. You're embarrassing me. But I guess you're right. It was totally random chance.
but now I'm back here.
Now I'm back here.
Guess we may as well pump the Venerable one for all the information she has.
Udah dapet ya.
Assembled archivists, I thank you all for coming. Your hard work is to be commended. In particular, your recovery of the Ninth Chronicle, the Chronicle of the Furious Roar, deserves praise. With it, we will surely be able to usher in the 10th world in the manner the One King wills.
And yet in its place, the Eighth Chronicle has been lost for eternity.
Well, I wonder if it has.
Excuse me?
Never mind. Though we have lost the 8th Chronicle, all should be well if we secure the 10th.
Chronicle kan ada di pedang gue ya, yang
I will
dipakai.
call upon you once again.
Of course, Father.
Gitu-gitu doang aja ngomongnya.
It appears we may uncover the missing Chronicle.
Really?
I have a feeling we will, because of the significant power that was used on our behalf. I wonder what has happened. Until now, this has remained hidden, not even daring to draw breath. And furthermore, this energy was something related to the Ravine of Infinity.
The ravine?
It is as if this something is telling you to find it, is it not?
I see. I believe I can use my powers to trace any vestiges that may remain.
Excellent. I leave it to you. If we can get our hands on it, we will, in effect, have a chronicle to spare.
Save dulu gak sih guys? Kita nggak ada kekuatan tahu. Override aja, maju nggak maju, gas. One lady. Lu tak luo tahu. I'm faking. It's nothing, gue curiga malu anjir. Iron Bull. Gak ada monster nih. Iya, kayak item kita hilang semua dong. Ya ini Twin Blade. Shining Legacy. Udah jalannya nggak ada lagi coy. Lau Quan. Hah? Oh, gua kira landline. Siapa itu? Nih penuh rahasia nih si Liu.
This is the Venerable One, Elder Scribe, Honored Lao Quan.
Buset, tatonya sampai baju-baju nyambung anjir.
You're the one who helped us out, Grandma? Thanks, I guess. Say, you don't look too good. Are you okay?
There are two reasons I brought you out to the ravine.
She doesn't seem to be listening. Grandma, are you hard of hearing?
Be quiet. Listen to what she has to say.
Sorry.
The first is that you bear with you a chronicle. As the eldest of the scribes, I cannot sit idly by as a chronicle is lost from this world. The second reason is that I must convey the meaning of the chronicles to you star-bearers.
The Chronicles?
But as you have already somehow managed to include a scribe among your ranks, I suspect you have.
Yeah, somehow. Yeah, we know a little about the Chronicles, but it's not because I'm a scribe.
Lu Shen,
A chronicle is a massive repository of the entire knowledge of a world. It is the very memory of that world.
I think maybe she is a little hard of hearing after all.
Ah, so do you not wonder at this? Have you yourselves already unlocked these riddles? If so, then these you have brought with you from another world.
Well, we were kind of wondering about that, too. Like, if there's a bunch of fake books, then that would mean that there's a real book out there somewhere.
A real book? You cannot mean... You mean the Chronicles for this world?
I do. The Order, its Chancellor
Chancellor.
Valfred, has acquired this world's chronicle, the true chronicle. For that reason, they refer to all others as false chronicles.
The True Chronicle?
everything in this world. So the advanced knowledge the Order has of disasters.
They are reading the future that is written in the True Chronicle.
They're doing what?
But that ain't true, Grandma. If it were, then we'd win every battle, hands down. And we've already beaten them a whole bunch of times.
Think back on what has happened. The Order's prophecies have all been natural disasters. In other words, events that occur without regard to human actions.
Dengerin dulu ya
so you're
guys.
saying
Ntar nggak mudeng gue sama ceritanya. Bingung mau kemana-mananya.
Though
RPG
they
kayak gitu.
use the True Chronicle, they cannot read a future that is shaped by free will. It may be that matters of the will, too, are recorded in the True Chronicle, but cannot be read. Or perhaps such things are not written in the True Chronicle at all. I do not know.
that sort of thing can't be written in, can it?
However, it is at least true that natural disasters can be foretold with the True Chronicle.
Not only
Aku pengen
natural
ngencing dulu anjir,
disasters,
kebelet. Bentar guys. Aku ingin kamu ada di sisiku. Bentar guys ya. Bentar bro. Jam berapa guys? Lucu banget guys. Ntar jam 12-an istirahat dulu ya. Soma dulu guys. Ini seru tau lama-lama ceritanya. Awal emang bingung kayak nggak seru gitu, tapi lama-lama gitulah RPG lah. Semakin lu masuk ke dalamnya semakin seru gitu. Kalau menurut gue ya. Tahu kan kalau rata-rata anak sekarang kan nggak demen RPG ya. Demennya yang to the point. Selera sih.
How parts of other worlds overlap and appear in this world. That is also written in the Chronicle.
What? So you mean the sudden appearance of Lysaria Forest or Marcina Plain?
Indeed. And their inhabitants will forget, coming to think it has always been so. Such it is written in the true Chronicle.
So what do you mean?
I mean that everything in this world is written in the true Chronicle. Everything, including memory.
Huh? So all memories will change in accordance with reality as defined in the True Chronicle.
So we're the only ones whose memories haven't changed?
You Starbearers are able to make contact with the Chronicles from other worlds. Therefore, you are not entirely controlled by the accounts in the True Chronicle.
So, that's why.
This is an unbelievable story, but it goes a long way in explaining my suspicions thus far.
But there's something weird about all this. Can't put my finger on it, but I'm not satisfied.
Venerable one.
Whoa, hey, what are you being all jumpy for?
I believe they have come.
Huh?
I have a bad feeling, something outside.
What?
Siapa ini? Siapa guys? She's coming. Cewek siapa guys? Oh shit, dia.
You!
What are you... Ah, it all makes sense now. The Elder Scribe used that power to draw the lot of you here. Excellent. I can get my hands on both the 8th False Chronicle and the Scribe's Chronicle at the same time.
The Scribe's Chronicle? There's one here too?
So that is what they seek.
I've asked you this before and I'm asking again. What do you want with these books?
It appears the Elder Scribe has told you quite a bit. Well, perhaps like the reason...
Iya, gue belum ini guys.
This phenomenon, the recent event with the Marcina Plains...
Gue belum merubah formasi tai.
That many?
Porpoise kin or the Wanderers, the Magedom of Janam or Astrasia, they don't normally exist here. I tell you all, these phenomena all came from other worlds, along with their false chronicles. Of course, I thought as much when I learned that Divine Edge was a chronicle. So just what do you think happens to the lands displaced when the other world intrudes in?
No way. They can't just disappear, can they? Like the Chiolui Mountains?
They do indeed. It was only happenstance that no one lived in the Chiolui Mountains, but if it had been a town or a village, all of the people living there would have vanished as well.
What?
Actually, something like that has happened several times in the past 9 events. And that's why we need the False Chronicles, to avoid such tragedies.
But why? What do you mean by that?
The True Chronicle indicates when the fusion of the worlds will take place, but not where. But if we use the powers concealed in the False Chronicles, we can determine where the fusion will be.
What?
We can intervene in the accounts of the True Chronicle, make the fusion occur far from the settled areas. The Order has been trying to do that up until now, protecting people who are unaware of the danger.
You have? Really?
However, each intervention in the true Chronicle uses up one of the false Chronicles. We act to be prepared for future fusions, and so we can continue to protect people.
This can't be.
How can I be any clearer? Hear me. Hand over your false Chronicles now.
Save dulu kali ya.
It sounds to me like what you're saying just doesn't...
In what way?
If it were true, then why'd you need to use a whole army to spread that nonsense about a set future? And another thing, something I was thinking about when listening to Grandma talk just now. Who's this one king guy? He's got something to do with you guys, don't he?
Ah, and here we are again.
Alah, lupa kan.
What are you doing?
It would have been easier if you had let me keep you in the dark. But you had to push, so it comes to this. This is so unfortunate.
Dia
I really do
summoner
have
ya.
a soft spot for children such as a lot of you.
Hey now, I think that you're just trying to hide the inconvenient facts, ain't you?
3 lagi. Ah, tai lah di belakang anjing. Oh, nggak bisa pakai magic ya? Aduh, poison. Habis dong langsung. Dulu defense saya dah. Meledak anjing.
That all you got? If it is, then you'd best get to telling us everything you know.
My, you are persistent. Perhaps I have more to offer.
Apalagi?
Not again.
Keep your guard up. Keep your guard up, she says. How are we supposed to do that?
Wah, nggak bisa kan lu?
What happened?
Why did... Ah!
Nggak bisa, bro.
This can't be happening. No, no!
What's going on?
Venerable One.
I see. This is the power of the scribe's false chronicle. This is not over.
Sial, cabut dia.
No! She got away. But what's going on on with her?
Don't ask me.
Ah!
What?
Owner Lockhorn, wake up, please. Come back to your senses.
Something's wrong
Oh,
with the
pingsan
Venerable
ya?
One?
Lord, let's get back inside.
Yeah.
Please, gue mau ganti dulu, sumpah. Lupa mulu gua. Gak bisa nyerang dia, guys.
Owner Lockhorn, Venerable One.
Grandma.
Hai, manggilnya nenek-nenek aja anjir.
Hey, Grandma, wake up.
What's happened to her? Why has she fallen ill so suddenly?
When that woman was opening up the gateways earlier, the Venerable One used her power to close them.
She what?
Owner Lockhorn had used her power yesterday. She didn't have enough time to recover.
Yesterday, when she pulled all of us out of the ravine.
You mean she has saved us once again?
Grandma, come back to us. Can you hear me? Oh, open your eyes.
I hear you.
Ya, gue udah die dong dia.
Elder,
I must be quick.
Finish my story.
Time to finish my story.
Don't worry about that. Try to rest.
Silence. Listen to me. It is as I said before. The Chronicles, by nature, are the records of their world. They do not define those worlds. I mean to say, the current true Chronicle has deviated from its true state.
what?
And the one who has caused the deviation
Swan King
is
siapa guys?
the
Swan King.
One King.
The One King?
Lu Shen, you must know the true form of the One King and his purpose,
Why are you telling me this?
or you are. Owner Lao Quan,
Whoa! Whoa!
Blue,
Oh, dia dikasih ini ya.
What's going on here?
Oh, hilang tatonya, bro.
her tattoos. They're on Lou now.
The Chronicle has been passed on.
Oh, di ini ya.
Those, the
Dikasih
very
ke
pattern
ini.
of lines, is the Chronicle we scribes are sworn to protect.
and they are the markings of the Elder Scribe.
What?
Oh, pindah ke Liu aja tatonya.
Lu Shen,
Elder anjir.
this day
Ketua suku ya?
you are the Elder.
What are you saying? Me? This has to be a joke.
You, from the moment you left us, I knew that you and you alone would be our next Venerable One. The rest is in your hands.
Anjay, gue nedai dong dia.
Owner Lao Quan,
Grandma,
Elder,
Old woman.
Ya, gue nedai.
Why? Why me?
Anjir, liat mukanya guys, serem banget ya. Keren tahu. Keren guys, sumpah. Terus kita cabut aja gitu.
Blue,
Funny, ain't it? That I'm the Elder Scribe? And now I've even got these. I hated the tattoos. That's why I ran away. And now I'm covered in them. That old woman. Just what was she thinking? Stick out your hand.
What, all of a sudden? You want to shake hands or something?
No, I don't want to shake your hand. This pattern is a chronicle, so I want you to touch it.
Oh, okay.
Wih, dapat kekuatan baru lagi kak guys.
Ready?
Kalian akan mendengarkan batuk gua dan suara ingus gua guys di sini karena pilek ya.
These tattoos tell a story. They speak of the one king, the final king who divides only,
Siapa itu ya?
and of the star bearers.
Those who dance in heaven and earth and who will not be defined. I see now. The one king and the star bearers.
What are we gonna do now?
What are we gonna do?
Well, we know a lot more now about the natural disasters and about the other world that's coming. And that the Order's gathering chronicles to try and stop the fusion from happening in some city. Should we really be fighting them?
Duh, ini apa ya guys?
All this stuff about the one king and everything? There's just too much stuff we don't know. But one thing's for sure. What the Order's doing just don't make any sense. At the very least, we can't let them keep doing bad things. So
Nah,
from
ini
now
bener
on, we have
kayaknya.
no choice but to fight.
I guess you were right. That's what I thought you would say.
What about you? What are you gonna do? Now that you're the venerable one and all.
Well, if you think about it, I suppose the Elder has to stay here. What do you think I should do?
Ain't got no idea. That's your decision.
Whew, that's cold.
But what I'd like is for you to keep on with us in our company.
You know, you really have a way of putting people in a bind.
Lu tahu caranya apa ya? Naro orang tuh di lilitan lu gitu. Sehingga nggak ada pilihan lain kalau pengen ikut.
How?
Forget it. Okay. I'm coming back with you to the castle, and I'm gonna fight the Order.
You sure?
Yeah. That old woman knew I would do that before she gave me the chronicle. If she wanted a normal Elder, she'd have chosen somebody like Liu Tao.
Yeah, maybe she would have.
Tau Council. Dapat game baru nih guys. Vengeance Race Counter Right. Boleh sih. Kayaknya nggak perlu deh. Oke, nggak usah deh guys. Vengeance gak sih? Liu atau opsil. Lah. Kok bisa diganti guys? Loh. Hilang anjing. Cok. What the fuck man? Kok hilang guys? Waduh. What the fuck is going on man? Wih, ini boleh sih guys. Aduh, ntar aja lah, ngeri anjing. Stop dulu dah. Ih, gila, nggak setuju loh. But why? Dia ngikut ya? Wih, gila, ngikut kita. Dia exit ya? Oh, dia mau ngikut, guys. Wih, gila, ngikut ya, guys. Wah, musuhnya nih bagus nih. Aduh. Duh, kebanyakan jalan bangke. Waduh, jalannya banyak banget, guys. Ini jalan bener gak sih? Ya bener sih. Let's go, bantai dia. Nggak tahu sih gue bener apa enggak di jalan. Lurus-lurus aja. Dia bilang buntu anjir. Lumayan buat grinding, guys. Ini hutan panjang banget sumpah. Loh. Guys, ini balik lagi gak sih, guys? Oh, ada peti. Aduh, ini kebanyakan jalan sumpah, demi apapun. Master Rope, guys. Ya itu buat Liu dah. Boleh sih. Aduh, bicara ke dia mulu ya. Naik level dong. Krocil kagak naik level ya. Purpose game. Woodland. Oh. Apa tuh, geng? Oh. Balik nih tiba-tiba. Ikut juga dia. Dulu guys, kita ini dulu gak sih?
We gotta thank you. Have a look. Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward.
1000 doang
A
anjir.
new assignment, huh? This the one you want? See you later.
Kastil kita makin gede gak sih guys? Nggak bisa dicabut ya, nggak bisa diganti anjir. Guys, turun dulu bisa kali. Bisa bisa diganti, Bang. Kita ke hal deh. Iya, diambil semua. Ini apa guys, kayaknya let's gear up. Alah. Ahmed Liu Jel. Marika. Mana Marika gua? Sota. Oke. Wih, di depan kali, Bang. Harusnya gue beli guys ya. Crocodile. Kasih cuci muka gak sih guys? Tapi ini shorts gua ya. Kok kuatan dia ya? Enggak. Oh, Guntram bukan. Enggak usah Guntram deh guys. Guntram apa? Support ya? Ini kasih Yuna Erin deh. Dulu guys, Guntram tuh ngapain? Jangan Guntram guys, kasih siapa ya? Masih level 10 cok. Boleh deh. belum dipakein anjir. Lonsus boleh deh. Let's go guys. Northwest. Northwest ke sini berarti. Nah, buntu anjing. Guys, buntu guys. Wih, apa? Gitu dong, naik level. Oh shit. Buntu bro. Ini apanya banyak banget guys. Naik cherry incense. Let's go. Ngincer siapa deh? Sunlight stone. Dan orang-orang gede bro. Buset, orang-orang gede bro. Oh magic ya. Gak apa-apa deh. Coba tes dulu. Anjir. Mati satu ya. Gue healing glitter dulu deh. Diincernya dia mulu ya. Jangan. Kita kasih Unite. Mati nggak ya guys? Duh, level masih kecil-kecil banget. Tar dulu guys. Oh, cuma berdua. Aduh, harus dihantam dulu ya. Gokil. Crochet lain. Aji, udah mati bro. Kenapa yang di heal mati? Si gak jelas. Lu heal Rothschild. Let's go. Lagi nggak sih guys? Lu heal deh. Support bro. Keren tau, animasinya lucu. Wah, gue udah die. Naik lu pada lu. Ultra Spear. Kita jalan lagi. Oh shit. Ayo ngincer ke dia. Feeling gue. Wah, boros banget dong gini. Sunlight itu mahal nih harganya kayaknya. Wih, ribut kah? Let's go guys. Here we go guys. Now's my chance. Udah die satu. Sakit ya, boleh lihat ya. Lagi. Coming at you. Mati lagi. Itu berbahaya. Oh shit. Ini heal aja loh, healing wave. Anjir, bahaya juga guys. Kayak diincar mulu gua. Dia nahan lagi guys. Push naik level semua lo. Relax. Si Resno ya kayak teman-teman SD gua. Cabut nih. Oke, take a break. Pastilah akan menambah gede kah?
I see. He has been quite active since his return.
Nah, bentar guys, bentar. Young Mamet muda. Berarti emang ini guys, emang dia tuh di masa depan ada. Di dunia lain tuh ada Mamet.
Please forgive me. My powers were prevented from working and...
That does not bother me. I am more concerned with how I did not know the scribe's powers.
Yet the Magedom army has recently managed to recover quite a bit of its strength. Their company is also getting in our way, which makes things all the more difficult.
It does indeed. And we have already used up
Ya
the
kan, bener?
false chronicle.
We have...
Shall we attempt to reuse the remaining false chronicles?
Can such a thing be done? It is far too dangerous. We must not do so.
Calm yourself. You will not be using it, nor will my Sophia. But I believe there is someone who might be interested in restoring his tarnished reputation. I think that it is about time we gave young Dirk a chance to shine.
Wah, dia pakai Dirk coy. Dir.
You got a quest report waiting.
Wah, banyak nih guys, misi-misi dulu gak sih?
Let's see. Way to go. You sure worked hard. Here's your reward. See you later.
Gua mau grindingin orang-orang guys. Tar dulu ya. Ada yang baru kah? Nggak ada yang baru lagi. Siapa bisa pakai wind dance ya guys? Ya, harus belanja ke sono dah. Full darah ya. Bawa mobile nggak sih guys? Udah bisa diganti belum? Oh bisa guys. Gue mau bawa ini nih, tadi dulu. Mobile 1. Mobile. Siapa lagi guys? Bukan siapa? Lupa gua. Siapa sih? Asad apa Mervis? Asad. Gila trio. Saat lu di depan saat. Bentar. Guys, gua sholat dulu ya. Bentar. Ntar gue sholat dulu ya.